It is nighttime. Tom is lying in his bed, holding his favorite teddy bear. The room is warm and quiet. Tom is sleeping peacefully. Outside, the weather begins to change. Dark clouds slowly fill the sky, and then rain starts to fall. Suddenly, lightning flashes across the sky. A loud clap of thunder shakes the night. Tom, scared. What was that sound? Tom opens his eyes. His heart begins to beat faster. The thunder is loud and the rain is heavy. Tom feels very scared. Tom wants to find his mom. He jumps out of bed and runs to the door. Tom, open, please open. But the door will not open. Suddenly, the power goes out. The room becomes dark and silent. Tom, crying, Mom, I'm scared. I'm all alone. In the darkness, shadows move on the walls. Toys begin to look strange and scary. The shadows look like monsters. Tom, no monster, no monster. Tom looks toward the space under his bed. His hands shake. Tom, terrified, go away, go away. In another room, Tom's mom hears a sound. Mom, that sounds like Tom. I must check on him. Mom reaches Tom's door. She pushes it gently. The door opens. Warm light fills the room. Tom, Mom, I was so scared. It's okay, my brave boy. Mommy is here now. She hugs Tom tightly. Mom, smiling, let's see what's under your bed together. Mom looks under the bed. There is no monster, only a tiny spider. Mom, see, Tom? No monsters are real. It was just your imagination. Tom smiles. The shadows no longer look scary. They look funny and friendly. After a while, the lights come back on. The room becomes bright and cozy again. Mom, here, Tom, this flashlight is for you. Whenever you feel scared, you can use it. Tom, excited. Wow, I have the power of light now. He shines the flashlight around the room. Outside, the rain stops. The thunder fades away. The night becomes calm and quiet again. Mom, now it's time to sleep, my love. Tom, good night, Mom. Tom lies down in bed, feeling safe and happy. Tom learned that fear lives only in our imagination. When we are brave, fear disappears. Be brave like Tom. Thank you for watching. Good night.